Hi guys, my name is Lungile Thabethe and I'm the head makeup artist for Scarlet Hill. On the very first Scarlet Hill shoot with the beautiful Shekhinah. Today we are going to be doing a beautiful bronzy eye with a gorgeous bold lip on her, and we're super excited about it, so let's get into it. So today we're going to be using the nude palette. So this has a beautiful array of nude tones. This is specifically for the lady that isn't really keen on trying out your neon bright colors or a classic, just a classic makeup look with a bold lip. I'm going to start off with a transitioning color, and this is freshly baked. So I'm going to start off by putting this all over the lid of the eye. For putting on a transitioning color, you want to use a brush that has a good angle on it, so a good dome shape on the brush, and one that's going to cover as much space off the lid as possible, one that fits the eye well as well. Okay, so once you've applied your transitioning color, then you go in with a darker shade. So this is just to create dimension on the eye. This specific tone that I'll be using is called Mocha, and I'm just going to be using a smaller brush just to give me more precision with this. So I'm starting off by placing the color on the outer corner of the lid and shading it inwards into the inner corner of the eye. So the great thing about these palettes is that the pigmentation on the different colors is amazing. As soon as you place the product on the lid, it gives the exact same color that's on the palette as well. I'm going straight from the palette onto the lid because there is very, very minimal fallout, almost no fallout, which is amazing. So you really get value for your money. You're not getting rid of all of that product that you've purchased, right? So the pigmentation is great. It's picking up so well. It's looking amazing. Great. So the trick to making your eyeshadow pop a whole lot more is putting a cream on your lid before you add a shimmer or a brighter tone. Okay, so I used a BB cream to just create a base for the brighter color that I'm going to place on the inner corner of your eye. So this is just to help with that, just to bring out the pigment, and this is the color Butterscotch. I'm just going to go into two colors. The one is Oh Honey and High Peaches. Okay. So these two colors, and I'm placing them in the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so I'm just intensifying the color for the rest of the eye, and that's it. Voila! Wow! All done. Super easy and super simple. So then all I'm gonna do is just use a liquid liner.
Do you finish the one eye and then you're like, okay, I'm happy with this eye?
Yes.
Let's copy that on this side.
Exactly, because then I know exactly what I'm doing. But if you're starting off and you're finding like eyeshadow application a bit difficult, try and do it at the same time. It's going to be easier for you because you might forget what color I used where and which eye transition.
I was going to say, how do you remember like?
Yes. So I'm just doing a liner on you. I'm just gonna pull the eye.
What type of liner is this? Like?
So this is the liquid stick eyeliner duo.
Okay.
And it's a duo in that it has two sides. The one is smaller and for better precision, and then a thicker one.
This is much better than like trying to.
Exactly. Yeah. It makes it so much easier. Then I'm going to go in with mascara. So since you have lashes already, the mascara is just to blend your natural lashes with your falsies. So any pigment that fell onto your lashes, the mascara also just helps blend it out. So this is the triple thread mascara.
Okay.
And yeah, it's really beautiful for just whispering your lashes out, right? So whenever you're doing a bright lip, you want to start off by using a lip liner. This is to intensify the color that you're putting on top and also give you better precision when you are applying the lipstick. So I'm using the Scarlet Hill lip liner. This is in the shade, it's in the color red, and I'm just gonna apply it all around her lip. So white smile. So people never know whether to start it where beneath this part of the lip or on top. You want to start it on top because then it's going to make it look super full. And when you're applying liner, you want to make sure that you are applying it all the way to the edge. Then you fill in the lip because you want the color on top to intensify, so white smile. Okay, so once we've applied the liner as our base, then we're going in with this beaut. This is the Scarlet Hill It's Me Scarlet lipstick.
It's
How
me,
gorgeous is this? I'm obsessed with this lipstick. So super bold lip for a confident girl. Gorgeous. Then we're going to continue with contour. So this is the Contour Glow palette. How gorgeous is this? It really gives you a good array of your warm to your deeper contour, and also it has a good undertone. So it has your cooler undertone and your warm undertone, which is perfect for the everyday girl. So whether you're warm or cool, it works perfectly for you. So when you're contouring the face, you want to contour in a 3. 1, 2, 3. And the middle part of the 3 goes under your cheekbone. You don't want it to look like a mask, you want it to look like, this is how I work up. It's super, super, super bright. So be careful with the amount of product that you put on your brush. That's the kind of product you want. You want product that you want to pick up very sparingly, very carefully because of how bright the pigment is, right? So then we're going to set the face when we're done, and we are using this beaut. This is the Scarlet Hill setting spray. Close your eyes. All done.
Thank you very much.
And there you have it.
So that is a wrap for our first ever makeup tutorial with Scarlet Hill Beauty by Mr. Price.
Yes, it is. And you can check out more tips and tricks on mrp.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.